Tick.
Looking forward to your audition?
Yeah.
Who you got here?
It's my son, Kian, and my mum, Jess.
Hi, Kian, you right? You looking forward to your dad's audition? You excited?
My name's Josie Whelan. I'm 26 and I'm from Wolverhampton. I've got a little boy, his name's Kian. He's 4 years old now. When I look at him, he just lights up my life. Being a father's the best thing ever. The first time, you know, I laid eyes on him, something just changed inside him, and my whole perspective on life changed completely.
What's your favourite song?
No, you know what your favourite song is? Yeah. It's moves like Jagger, isn't it? You can sing that as well, can't you? Me and his mum broke up not long back. So Kian doesn't live with me, unfortunately. I do really miss that. I miss living with him. Ever since he was born, I've been around him every day. And sometimes, you know, come back from work to empty flats. There's just me there, and you know, I've got his pictures around and that sort of thing, and it's heartbreaking, yeah.
OK, guys, you ready to go through? Sweet, man. Do you want to get all your things?
Should we take over?
Yeah.
You're staying here. You're going that way. Good luck, fella.
There's so much riding on this for me. It's not just for myself, not just because I want to be a musician, but because I really want to make my son proud, really want to make him happy, and I hope he's proud of his daddy.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hello.
What's your... What's your name?
My name's Josie Whelan.
And where are you from?
I'm from Wolverhampton.
How old are you?
I'm 26. 26.
And what do you do for a living?
I'm a tool salesman. I go onto building sites and smash things up with tools. This is brilliant, man.
Why have you come to the X Factor today?
Well, I've been playing in bands for about 10 years now, and I really want to do something on my own. And also, I've got a 4-year-old son as well, and I want to do the best I can for him and give him the best life I can. Yeah, he's really lovely as well.
Okay, take it away.
Right, Daddy got a good voice?
Yeah.
Good singer?
Yeah.
Unique cooler, baby, I'm not fooling. I'm gonna send you back to schooling. Way down inside, woman, you need it. I wanna give you my love. I wanna give you every inch of my love. Whoa, what a whole lot of love. 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 You've been learning, baby. I've been learning. All those good times, baby, I've been misusing. Way down inside, baby, you need it. I wanna give you my love. I wanna give you my love. What a whole lot of 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 love.
Joseph, oh my God, what a voice, what a tone you have.
Thank you, thank you.
I think Gary's going to start getting jealous because you're going to be stealing all the female attention. That's it.
Joseph, that was a brilliant audition. You've got an amazing talent. You've got an authentic rock voice.
Thanks so much.
Gary, did you like it?
Do you know what the best thing about this audition, Joseph, was that when you came on, my name's Joseph Whelan, and then you start to sing, it's just absolutely awesome. What a great voice. I really enjoyed that.
Thanks, Gary. Means a lot, man. Means a lot. Thank you.
Mel?
You smashed it. Yeah, you're really hot. You've got great tattoos, and you smash things up with tools, and then you sing.
And then you sing.
Done.
Hey, now we're going to vote, Joseph. I'm going to say yes.
Joseph, definitely biggest yes of the day.
Thank you.
Definitely yes.
Thank you.
Joseph, 4 big yeses, well done.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
A little bit. Oh, that's cute.
Well done, fella. Well done, fella. Brilliant. Well done. Great job.
But he's so likeable and so nice and so real.
Very likeable.
Talented. He's one to watch, guys.
He's the best singer in my life, I think we can. Yeah, you know that, don't you? Daddy's little boy.
Hi YouTube, if you want to watch more clips like this, then press that button below. It's just there, look.